The process for creating a mural, it's less about art and much more about leadership. It's more about our hopes, our dreams, our fears, our memory, but more than anything, about where we want to go. So we enter into discussions and activities that use art as a tool for opening up and discussing hard topics, deep topics about identity, about heritage, legacy, and more than anything, cultural and historical intersections that we have.
I came to be involved in this project by joining Student Equity Board. I really agreed with the cause of the club. I learned different cultures and how we represent our people and how much our culture matters to our identity and how important it is to represent it in this photo and just represent everyone.
All the students that were involved, we kind of had the same role, and it was to show up and just be involved and give ideas and just create a good environment and just keep the ideas flowing, if that makes sense.
Something I learned from this experience was definitely how there's so much cultural background that everybody has, and just hearing everybody's ideas and seeing how everything could come into just one picture.
I just kind of learned to work with what I feel is right, trusting my gut and going with my instincts, because we did a couple creativity exercises where we would just paint for a while and maybe talk about what we painted, why we painted it. So I guess I just kind of learned to trust myself.
So there's a lot of what to the untrained eye looks like playing and games, but they're really challenges. We did a lot of eating, a lot of tasting to get all of the senses, all of the human intelligences together so that we could be honest with one another and discuss our hopes, our dreams, imagine a journey where we went to ancestral lands of a very diverse group. And what you get in the mural are the minutes of those discussions. Great art has the ability to transcend time and space. That's what we were trying to do, is to be able to dig deep into who we are, our understanding of one another, and then leave a piece of art that can transcend people the same way that we traveled with our experiences and connected to each other.